Good evening and welcome to the news. First, the headlines. Voter turnout of 64.58% recorded in third phase of Lok Sabha elections. Final discussion on Harijan colony issue to be held on June 7, informs Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong. Laban Bengali boys and St. Mary's Higher Secondary School top list in HSSLC exams in Science and Commerce streams. DEO Guwahati, District Administration and HYC conduct joint inspection at Lom Survey following complaints of illegal settlement. And over 300 households affected by cyclonic storm in West Khasi Hills receive relief assistance. The news in detail. A voter turnout of 64.58% was recorded in the third phase of Lok Sabha election. In this phase, which concluded yesterday, 93 Lok Sabha seats from 10 states and 1 union territory went to the polls. Polling remained largely peaceful, with voters from all walks of life participating enthusiastically despite the heatwave conditions in several parts of the country. Deputy Chief Ministers Preston Tinsong, who is also the chairman of the high-level committee, and Sneabhalang Dhar, along with the Advocate General and officials, met the leaders of the Harijan Panchayat Committee to discuss the relocation of the residents from Them Yo Malong yesterday. Briefing the media, Tinsong informed that the state government plans to hold a final discussion on the matter with Harijan colony representatives on June 7. When asked about the discrepancies in the number of families involved, the leaders of the Harijan Panchayat Committee asserted that the relocation pertains to 347 families, not the previously stated 194.
The sentiment is there, but we discussed all the detail. I will be able to tell you exactly on the 7th of June next meeting. I will tell you everything. Where is the sentiment lying, or where is the decision taken?
The issue is not of whether they are employee or not, but since they are residing there for years, centuries, so whether they or their forefathers, but the actual numbers, it was decided, it was 340.
It was a joyful day for many students who successfully cleared the Higher Secondary School Leaving Certificate Examinations 2024 in the Science and Commerce streams, the results of which were declared today. Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School topped the list in the Science stream, while St. Mary's Higher Secondary School held the top position in the Commerce stream. Here is a detailed report.
Board of School Education today announced the results of the Higher Secondary School Leaving Certificate in the Science and Commerce streams, including the vocational stream, of which a total of 85.24% pass percentage was recorded in Science, 80.26% pass percentage in Commerce stream, and 100% pass percentage in vocational stream. Sohan Bhattacharjee, a first position holder from Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School in Science stream, expressed shock as he was not expecting to top the list. Aiming for the stars, Bhattacharjee is looking to pursuing physics as his major as he aspires to conduct a research on space science.
Mainly it takes dedication and discipline. It doesn't mean that if you study for 10-15 hours a day you will get here. It's a misconception. You can just study for a few minutes also, but the concept of the subject, it should go into your head, and that is what makes the difference. And consistency and regular study makes it possible. Right.
Meanwhile, Ferry Filari Shawan, a first position holder from St. Mary's Higher Secondary School in Commerce Stream, attributed her success to her teachers and parents who always supported her. Her future plan is to prepare and clear the civil service examinations with flying colours.
I feel really happy, really grateful. So at first, makam expect ban block kung marks, but then it's all because of my teachers, my parents, and my supported me mentally, physically, emotionally. So it's all because of them and my hard work. I'll go be combat and then side by side I'll do competitive exam.
I'm immensely proud of each one of them. Their achievements bring great honor to our institution and serve as a shining example of the high standards of excellence that we strive to uphold.
In their message to the students, both the toppers underscored the importance of commitment, determination, and to stay true to their dreams and aspirations. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
Meanwhile, Ribhoi district also did fairly well in the HSSLC exams conducted by the Meghalaya Board of School Education. The district recorded a pass percentage of 79.9% in the science stream and 79.17% in the commerce stream, the results of which were declared today. Jagjot Singh Nongtudu, a student of Alpha English Higher Secondary School, bagged the 10th position in the commerce stream with 87.6%. Speaking to the media, Paidolin Lingdo Nonglait, the district school education officer Ribhoi, said that as a district that lags behind in Meghalaya, the result is a stepping stone towards better education in Ribhoi.
To be very honest,
So next year we're hoping to get good news for more top tens. All right? For now, it's. Kawai kalau ni kambe atomi ki kena sekretari kasi kambe atomi ki ni kam wa ki la ni siamba la ki don ki tulot ang ni persiapan irap iki.
Ke distrik, ke distrik, ke Basadian Camp for Meghalaya, aspirational district, Ringilayo 79.17, but 79.29, masuk ka penidak, ka jengkil, ka education, buat Ribhoi.
I would like to say just one thing, is that work hard, grow, and bring honor to your school, especially Alpha students. Let us bring honor to Alpha school.
Similarly, in eastern West Khasi Hills, Kevin Strong Laurinyang of Mairang Presbyterian Science College secured a spot in the top 10 HSLC list science stream. With a total mark of 454, Laurinyang secured the 10th position. Attributing his success to God, Laurinyang also extended his gratitude to his school and his teachers for guiding him and supporting him.
Nikong ni shop te ngaingu yo blay ng bu ng tao ma today kiting pinya chubu te ngwaru ban ai khublay ber aingu ya ki bahayin ki bala kersan nga nodu dang sedang hadu ka school hangni ka long kum kaying kasam kinong hikai kilong ki ba kloy banyarap but ki barang friendly te nasoba kamdon than kata ka sing aku pule marmaki ki pet yang kum ki kena school rate teng kum ki kuan na jang ro.
The Office of the Defence Estate Officer DEO Guwahati, along with the East Khasi Hills District Administration and the Hanutrep Youth Council HYC, today conducted a joint inspection at Lom Survey following complaints of illegal settlers in the area. During the joint inspection, the SMB collected the names of the alleged settlers. There are around 80 houses in the plot of land where 40 of these houses are locked. HYC President Roy Kupar Sindram said the concerned authorities will have to take stringent actions against illegal settlement in the area.
16 up. 7. Asleep country. This one also. 8. 7. The mass, yeah.
Nengi nak kalian jong kaseng namar bakahap hapo ke jurisdiction jong ka district administration jong East Coast Hills ngin but din lang bat ka office jong DC bat kumjuru bat ka DO office ya kata ngin sale tang hadin chisngi arsi bang ngila sothu ba kini ki bawan ban survey menta sngi kin submit ya report ka jong ki tendang ngila snothu ya report ka jong ki nak kalian jong kaseng la kalong kumnu ru ngikren ka basay ba hadin mengilawan hajaka bagi officer jong ka district administration kilawan hajaka kilai I dalam jong hikmat ya kijing sisya balada nakaliang ka jong ki kim shim ya kasenjam kaseng ka sesiem pada ki simjam.
Unknown miscreants resorted to burning of tyres in the middle of the internal PWD road at Umsning in Ribhoi district in the wee hours of Wednesday. According to Ribhoi Police Chief Jagpal Singh Dhanoa, on receiving the information, police from Umsning police station rushed to the spot and removed the burning tyres, adding that investigation is on the matter. At least 97 households who were affected by the rain and cyclonic storm that hit parts of the state in the past few days have received relief assistance, and an additional 228 others were slated to receive them today. Deputy Commissioner West Khasi Hills District Garrett SLN Dykes said today. He informed that as on May 5th, a total of 13 households were affected across 5 villages in Maushinrut CNRD block, 84 households in 6 villages under Nongstoin CNRD block.
Ki long yeng ki bakta ki long aspa atupra teli kentok riu apun riu teli snong bat kinne bodo ki hap ko ka nong spoin block ya kata ka jini rap ko ong matan ka pisa transfer sebang akom juki bat ki CGI sheet ki don ki bangun dep ai ki don ru ki bangan nimpat laban penpoi rei matakas ni cekin ki aspa prat li bilong yeng la dep kun kre bat mentang sing la ban transfer ki akom juki.
The Indian Meteorological Department has predicted scattered to fairly widespread light rainfall accompanied by isolated thunderstorms, lightning and winds over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland and Tripura for the next 7 days. In preparation for the observance of World No Tobacco Day 2024 on May 31st, the Education Department, in collaboration with the National Health Mission and Tobacco Control Cell, is organizing special programs for school children, including a march titled Walk for My Meghalaya, Tobacco Free Meghalaya. Recently, in West Jaintia Hills District, school students along with their teachers participated in a procession carrying placards and shouting slogans to raise awareness about the harmful effects of tobacco, whether through smoking or other means of consumption. And a quick look at the weather report now. The maximum temperature recorded was 22.2 degrees Celsius, the minimum 14 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 57%, while that in the evening rose to 75%. 1.2 millimeters of rainfall was recorded. The forecast: light to moderate rainfall and thunderstorms are likely to occur at a few places. And another look at the headlines before we wind up. Voter turnout of 64.58% recorded in third phase of Lok Sabha elections. Final discussion on Harijan colony issue to be held on June 7th, informs Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong. Laban Bengali Boys and St. Mary's Higher Secondary School top list in HSLC exams and science and commerce streams. DO Guwahati District Administration and HYC conduct joint inspection at Lom Survey following complaints of illegal settlement. And over 300 households affected by cyclonic storm in West Khasi Hills receive relief assistance. Well, viewers, that's all we have in this edition of the Bulletin. Join us again tomorrow evening for more news and updates.